Hi, hi. In previous class, we will discuss about JavaScript executor. Okay, how it will be runs. We can see the site. Okay, the demo.nopcommerce site. So in the demo.nopcommerce site, okay, HTTP demo.nopcommerce site. So see this. So in this site, if you give the search button, okay, in that button we can pass the parameters laptops. Okay, and the send keys are not. If send keys are not working, that's why we can use the JavaScript executor. Sometimes Selenium is not working some actions in some operations. So that's why we can go for the alternative one, JavaScript executor we can use. Okay, we can perform the actions on laptops. Okay, here we can pass that parameters. After that, we can apply the search bar click button. Okay, so in last program, we can see all this. Okay, and if you see the output also in previous program, so laptops will be displayed there. Okay, laptops will be displayed there. And after the search bar is clicking. Okay, search button is clicking. It will display the output like this. So it is working. Okay. So next, I will go for the new concept. So what is the new concept? See here, scroll bar automation. It is a perfect question, and it is a definitely interview question. Okay, asked by the interviewer. So if you go for the interview, so prepare like conformly scroll bar automation. Okay, scroll bar automation is developed by the developer. Okay, not developed by the developer. Okay, it is not belongs to any application, so we can locate the scroll bar. We can handle through the JavaScript executor. Okay, scroll bar automation is working only through the JavaScript automation. Okay, JavaScript executor. There is no interface for other. Okay, there is no other interfaces. We can use only JavaScript executor interface. We can use for scroll bar automation. Okay, based on the content, scroll bar is appear. So it depends upon the size. See this. This is the size, so depend upon the size. If you display in only one tab, okay, it not go for any scroll. If the data is big, okay, it is the scroll bar is appear, okay, appear in this. So see here, whole content is visible on the web pages. Scroll bar is not visible. Okay, so content is very huge, like this, very huge. Okay, scroll bar is okay automatically appear. See this. If content is very big, okay, scroll bar is appear here. Next, what are the three? These three topics are mandatorily asking by the interviewer, asked by the interviewer. So see this, these are very, very important topics. First one is scroll down the page. See here. The page is like this page. After page you launch, after launching the page, okay, we can scroll this button. Okay. So after launching the page, scroll is possible. So next what? Based on the pixel number. So now scroll down is page till until we can identify certain element. So here we can identify certain element. So I can identify the element what news. So first of all, scroll the button. Okay, scroll the button, not completely. Just you can scroll once. It moves to some, okay, some part. So second one is if you down the, okay, scroll down the page till until we can certain the element. Okay, I can find the element like news. So after that, we can scroll down till end of the document. We can scroll from till end of the document like this. Okay, after end of the document, we can perform it. There are three actions we can perform on the scrollings. Okay, so now scroll down, we can perform on first action. So what is the first action? Note initially the scroll bar is a zero position. So in zero bar, so see here it is a zero position. I can move from another position like this. Okay, so we can write the code here, JavaScript executor code. So now I can create one class here. Okay, the class name is what? See here, I can write the class name is new. I can create one class. So class name is scroll bar. So now I can create SB1. So click the checkbox publish static argument string args and after finish it. So we can write, see here, we can write the code. So what is the code? These three are mandatory, common. So common for SB1. Okay, I can write here. Okay. Now after that, okay, after that a little bit scroll bar with automation. So after that we a little bit scroll bar with automation. So possible in JavaScript executor only. Okay, scroll bar is possible with JavaScript executor only. So here you can see this website. There is no horizontal. Okay, horizontal means x-axis. This x-axis. This is the y-axis. So if you scroll down, it goes for y-axis. It is vertical moving, not horizontal moving. Okay, it is moving vertically. Okay, it is moving down and up only. Okay, not left and right. Okay, see here, x-axis is not moving. We can go for y-axis moving. Okay, this is the vertical moving. So now I can write the code. Same here, you can see. JavaScript executor driver. I can write these two methods. Okay, JavaScript executor. See this, Control C and paste it here. JavaScript executor. I can write driver. Next JavaScript executor what? Okay, here JS dot. Here JS dot execute script. Okay, execute JS dot exe execute what script. See here there is no web element. So there is no web element. That's why argument is null. Okay, so I can give like this. Now we can apply what? Okay, we can apply scroll by option. So option is WIDO Windows dot scroll by Windows dot scroll by. So here x-axis y-axis both are there. So x-axis is no moving. There is horizontal no move. Okay, that's why we can give 0 here. And vertically I will give 1500 pixels. Okay, I can give 1500 pixels. See this. This is the vertical moving. Okay, vertically moving I can give 1500 pixels. Horizontally not moving. That's why I can give 0 here. Okay, in my code there is no web element. Okay, in my code there is no web element. That's why put into here empty only. Okay, here we can apply the thread.sleep method. See here, it is moving or not a little bit. Okay, a little bit is it is moving or not. Thread.sleep I can apply here. Okay, the duration is 5000 here, and see here I can close with semicolon. See this, it shows error. Why? Windows dot scroll by sorry, semicolon is missing. Okay, so thread.sleep one execute. Okay, add throws exception. So exception is added. Now save the file and run it. Okay, it is working or not. So scroll is moving or not. Now we can see. See here, browser launched. After launching browser, okay, a little bit move. Okay, the scroll down by little bit, move little bit. Okay, check it. Okay, there is something exception error there. Okay, what is that exception error? Windows. Okay, Windows is not defined. See here in the code what? Sorry, window, not Windows. Okay, window only. I can write Windows here. That's why it shows error. Okay, I can remove this yes. And again, I can launch it. See here, save and run it. Browser launched and maximize the window. Okay, after thread.sleep, it is moving a little bit. See this. Okay, little bit is moving or not? Moving. Okay, now code is correct. So after that, what is the second code? See this one. See here. So second one is what? Scroll down the page till we can identify the certain element. So now I can find the element is what here? I can find the element. Okay, news. News is my element. Okay, I can go for till news. Okay, the pages go down for till we can identify the element is news. Okay, now we can right click on this. Okay, now I can write one class. I can create one separate class for this. So new class. So what is the class name here? SP2. Okay, scroll bar 2. So I can create public static void main and finish it. So here we can write same three methods common. Okay, window.maximize error. Okay, just copy. Okay, I can write these three methods common. I can remove this one. Okay, I can write these three methods common here. Now Java exception driver also we can write. So first we can write thread.sleep method. So wait, thread.sleep method here. Control C. I can apply here. Okay, it shows if they add is the throws exception. Okay, I can add throws declaration, and after that, okay, after that we can click on the object. First you can identify the element. Right click on the news, and after that share this. Inspect the element. So it is a, what is the tag? Strong is the tag. So there is no ID class name. Okay, locator. So that's why you can go for XPath. So Control F here, double slash. Okay, double slash strong. Strong is a tag, and the tag contains what? Some text. Okay, some text. The tag contains some text. A text with what? News. See here. It is selected or not? Selected. That's why I copy this and we can write the web element here. The web element is web element. Okay, web element. I can write news is the variable name. Next driver dot what? Find element. Find element by dot xpath. Okay, by dot xpath. I will give it in quotations. Okay, I can write in quotations. Okay, I can close this one. So here, why you are writing web element? So find element returns what? Web elements. That's why I can write this. So next, I can write the JavaScript method. Okay, JavaScript executor method. I can copy from here. Okay, so I can copy from here. I can apply for here. Okay, see this. I can apply for here. See here. Now, okay, it is showing. See this. It is showing what? See this. I can go for look into views now. Okay, I can view for news page. And after that, we can go for scroll down till element is visible. Okay, till element is visible. Now, can visible is what? News element is visible. Okay, and after that, we can write JavaScript execute argument. We can write the method scroll into view. Okay, scroll into view. Now, I can write this JS argument. I can write this. See here, JS dot execute script. Okay. Execute script. What? Here there is argument is mentioned. There here web elements are available or not available. So what is the web element name? News is the web element name. That's why I can write news here. Okay. So in all place we can pass what previously window. So here arguments we can pass for web element. So arguments with double quotes. Already ARGUMENTS arguments we can pass 0. Okay, dot SCROLL scroll INTO into scroll into view. Okay, scroll into view. This is the method. This is the method. See here. Okay, scroll into view. Okay, you can write like this. So it is only displays what news. Okay, the scrollability goes for until news. So after that, verify pixels. So how many pixels are contains news? That's why we can write this code only. Okay, verify the pixel. We can write one another line. So that is system dot. We can print the pixels count. It's not println. System dot out dot println. Out dot println what? JS dot. So execute. JS dot execute script. We return here. We can return something. Wait. Execute script. I can remove all this. So here I can write what? Return space window dot page y o of offset. We can write like this for pixels. Okay, for pixels we can write like this. So pixel count will be displayed in the console or not. Now we can check this. Save this. We can write for okay scroll into view. That's why we can write. We can identify the path, and after identify the path, we can store into one variable news, and the find element returns what web element. That's why we can write like this. Okay. After that, what JavaScript executor will be applied here interface, and in that interface we can execute the script. Okay, we execute the scripts. What 0 is the index. It's okay. Yeah, scroll is starting from starting position. That's why we can write 0. Scroll into view. Okay, view until what? News. For news we can identify the scroll, and after that we can find the pixels. How many pixels are contains the news? So execute this one. See executed. Okay, scroll for new or not? News or not? See, news will be displayed. So now check here. So 19,800 pixels are available. Okay, 1900 pixels are moved, shows in the console. Okay, now what is the third one? So third one, what, scroll down till at the end of the document. Okay, now you can see end of the document is working or not. Okay, I can create one new class. So class name is what? SB3. Okay, SB3. I can create one new class and I'll click the checkbox public static void main string args and finish it. Okay, after finish this, we can write the common three browsers and launching method and maximize. We can apply this. I can copy these three. Okay, I can copy these three and I can paste it here. Okay, now what? JavaScript executor scroll by. See here, what is the code? So now I will go, we can apply the JavaScript executor scroll by what? 0 position to document body. Okay, this is scrollHeight. Okay, we can go for ending. Okay, this is go for ending and it shows the pixel count. So that's why we can write page offset. And if you go for down and after we can go for up. So that's why we can write this position also. So ending position to starting 0, starting position, we can see this minus will be displayed. Okay, and we can write the code like this. So first JavaScript executor, we can write this JavaScript executor. First threaders with JavaScript executor driver. I can copy this code and to paste here. Now, okay, JS dot execute script. Okay, we can write execute script. What is execute script? Here there is no web elements. Okay, here there is no web element. Now we can write what? See this. Is there any web element here? There is no web element. Okay, I can remove that one also and the 0 document by scrollHeight. It is working or not. Now we can check this. Okay, and I can not pass any arguments here. Okay, remove all these. We can write code like what? Okay, window dot scroll by ROLL, scroll by until what? 0 position to DOCUMENT document dot body. In that body scrollHeight, SCROLL, scroll HEIGHT, scrollHeight. Okay, so it is, see the code once. Windows dot scroll by 0 comma document. Okay, same like this scrollHeight. Okay, I can close that. Another one, 2 braces are opened, so I can close another braces. Okay, see here, 1 brace will be closed. Okay, so now what? We can print this one. Okay, that's why system print the 6 pixels counts. Okay, I can write same previous code. See this pixel dot offset. I can write this same exactly. There is no change for this print method. I can apply here. Okay, so after that, see this is the output. Okay, thread dot slit will be applied here in between the JavaScript executor and JavaScript. Okay, I can apply thread dot slit thread dot SLEP thread dot slit method. 5000 it is returns. So see this, it is add throws the exception. Okay, I can throw this declaration and close the previous one. So I can run this. Okay, I can run this. It is go for the end of the tab or not. See this. It will be launched and it will be thread.scoop is working wait. So after it will go for the end of the tab. Okay, so end of the, now I can go for end of the tab to again starting question. So that's why I can apply this one. So see here in the console there are 2451. Okay, will be displayed. So this is the pixel count. Okay, so 2500 pixels are moved. So here we can apply only minus. Same code, we can apply only minus. Okay, we can apply only minus. See here, it is working or not. Again, thread.sleep is applied for in between these two. Okay, I can save the file and run it. So the cursor is moving to down and the cursor is moving to up or down. See this. Browser launched and maximize the window. After thread.sleep, it is go for end of the page. Okay, and after again thread.sleep, it will go for up or not. See here. Okay, Up is also working. So the total pixels count what? 2451. Okay. This is the scroll down option. Okay. So first one, we can perform only scrolling for scroll by. Okay. Pixels count. And the second one, we can find that in end of the element. That's why we can scroll into view method. Okay. Here we can go for what? Okay. Scroll by zero documented body scroll height. Okay. This is the method. So only you can recognize these methods. Okay. Thank you.